drop, I've used the call and response pattern. You've probably heard this type of pattern in many anyma or Afterlife tracks. Here's what it sounds like. For the A part, I've used 3 sounds. Here's what it sounds like in solo.
Before moving ahead, I want to tell you guys that this sound comes from my Afterlife style melodic techno sound bank for Diva. Check the description box to know more.
For the lead processing, I used Flux Mini for sidechaining and for adjusting the overall ADSR of the lead sound, followed by an OTT, a stereo shaper, and a low-cut EQ with a boost in the high mids, plus another low-cut EQ. For the B part, I've used 3 sounds. Here's what it sounds like in solo. For the first bass, I used Flux Mini for sidechaining, followed by an OTT and a low-cut EQ. For the second and third bass, I used similar processing, an OTT, a low-cut EQ, and sidechaining. I also added an LFO lead with a stutter effect using the Flux Mini to accentuate the B part of the drop. Here's what it sounds like. I also added these plucks to fill in the gaps and make it sound even more interesting. For the bassline processing, I used a low-cut EQ on the top bass and a stereo shaper with sidechain. For the main bass, I added an EQ to cut off highs and sidechain. I also added a refill. For the outro, I have added a ARP and pluck, and that's pretty much it.